This building used to be a noisy bar, but then the Adventist Church had kingdom-focused plans for it. The bar has since been transformed into an urban center of influence, or UCI, in the heart of Moldova's capital city, Chișinău. Your generous giving to Global Mission helps support this UCI, which offers life-changing opportunities to the community. The bar had been disruptive to the neighborhood atmosphere, but today the community members appreciate the holistic programs and medical services available here and get involved regularly. At the front of the building, you'll find volunteers distributing and selling books on health and spirituality. They greet passers-by and welcome them to join a variety of classes and events throughout the week. Most of the volunteers are from different religious backgrounds, but they fully believe in the work the local Adventists are doing in this neighborhood. Some days they even walk around to the nearby apartment buildings, inviting the residents to join the week's programs. Today, Global Mission pioneer Svetlana is conducting an exercise class outside. People are constantly coming by to enjoy the center's many different activities, such as natural cosmetics on Sundays and singing groups on Thursdays. After stretching and exercising, visitors make their way inside to join another group learning about healthy eating. They taste different foods and talk about the benefits of a balanced diet. As they learn, they also have a chance to befriend others who live in the area. During the day, this building also operates as a doctor's office and a dental clinic. Vyacheslav is the medical doctor serving this office. When he was younger, he was addicted to drugs, and nobody believed he had any potential. But one day, he met an Adventist who wanted to be his friend. This new friend made Vyacheslav feel cared for and encouraged him to read the Bible. Taking his friend's advice, Vyacheslav sat in the corner of a bar night after night and read the Bible. He enjoyed the stories, and over time he realized he didn't want that lifestyle anymore. Vyacheslav accepted Jesus in his heart and began to attend medical school. Despite many challenges, he passed at the top of his class and now works in the Global Mission Urban Center of Influence during the week. On Sabbath, he is also the church pastor. Vyacheslav frequently invites his patients to take part in the center's activities, including the regular Bible studies, and many of them do. Some visitors who come for the center's other programs also want to come back to learn about the Bible. Because of Svetlana's and Vyacheslav's efforts, the dedication of the center's staff and volunteers, and your support, the church's congregation has grown. Church members in Moldova thank you for supporting Global Mission. Please continue to pray for and give to Global Mission projects like these.